Two-player mode. Please choose your favorite character. The first to reach the finish line wins. The game begins now. Tap the screen to throw the dice. Before a typhoon, which should be prepared in advance? Food? Correct! He got lost, but the police helped him. Find what you can't play with. The typhoon is coming. She prepares a family emergency kit at home in advance. Is that right? Correct! I hide in the elevator during an earthquake. Am I right? I hide. Correct! Is it right to play with matches, lighters, and other ignition sources at home? Correct! She almost drowned swimming in a pond. She went out and walked away from adults and got lost. Two-player mode. Please choose your favorite character. The first to reach the finish line wins. The game begins now. Tap the screen to throw the dice. He rested in the shade when it was too hot and felt better. I hide under a sturdy desk during an earthquake. Is that right? Correct! Find which items should not be used to treat burns. Find the dangerous behaviors in the scene. After the earthquake, the firefighters found injured people. Should they be treated immediately in a dangerous place? Or correct! Find what you can't play with. Tap the screen to throw the dice. I hide in the elevator. Correct! Find which items can cause a fire. He got lost, but the police helped him. I hide in the elevator during an earthquake. Am I right? Wrong answer.